Deleting an existing class. After you've logged into STEMSIMS, select the Classes tab from the top menu. Make sure the class you want to delete is the active class. If the desired class is not the active class, select the class from the Classes list. Choose the Settings tab from the left menu. The Class Information screen appears. Please note, the class delete function is permanent and cannot be undone. All student data will be lost and cannot be retrieved. To delete a class, select the red Delete Class button from the right side of the screen. A pop-up appears. Select the red Delete Class button. Choose the Close button on the top right of the pop-up to exit this window.